So, Honor just dropped their latest gaming smartphone, the Honor GT, and it's rocking the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen chipset. This isn't just another smartphone launch. This device is designed specifically with gamers in mind, and the specs are seriously impressive. But is it the ultimate mobile gaming experience? Well, today we're going to break it down, so stick around and hit that like button if you love gaming tech. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. When you first open the box, you're greeted with the Honor GT, and let me tell you, this phone does not disappoint in the looks department. It's got this big, bold logo on the back, which is definitely a conversation starter. Now, I know what you're thinking, another oversized logo, but the way it reflects light, especially on the green variant, is actually pretty cool, but it definitely stands out in a good way. Inside the box, you'll also find the essentials: a SIM tool, an informational leaflet, a soft transparent case to keep the phone protected, a USB-AA to USB-AC cable with this cool orange accent, and the 100W supercharger adapter. Yep, you heard that right, 100W charging. When it comes to display, the Honor GT has a sleek, compact feel. It's got this flat back and flat display which feels modern. But what I really appreciate is how comfortable it is to hold. The 7.7mm thickness and the 200 grams of weight are just perfect for gaming, especially when you're in those long gaming sessions. The back is glass, which gives it a premium touch, and the frosted matte finish helps reduce fingerprints. Even though the frame is plastic, it still feels sturdy. Plus, it comes with an IP65 rating, so it's splash resistant, which is a nice touch if you're gaming on the go. Let's get into the real meat of this device, the performance. The Honor GT is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen chipset, and if you're familiar with this processor, you already know that it's one of the most powerful chips available for smartphones right now. This is a gaming smartphone, so it's designed to handle heavy loads, high frame rate gaming, and all that intense stuff we throw at it. Paired with either 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, the phone multitasks effortlessly. You can have apps running in the background, swap between multiple games, and everything still runs smoothly. The 250GB to 1TB of storage means you have more than enough space for all your games, apps, and media without worrying about running out of space anytime soon. Now, Honor has also included Game Mode, which optimizes your phone's performance during gaming. Whether it's enhancing frame rates, boosting resolution, or preventing overheating, this mode ensures that your game experience is uninterrupted. Speaking of which, I haven't experienced any thermal throttling or major heating issues with this device, even after a few intense gaming sessions. It's clear Honor has put a lot of thought into cooling. Let's talk about real-world performance. Whether you're playing graphically demanding games like Genshin Impact or PUBG Mobile, the Honor GT performs flawlessly. Graphics are crisp, frame rates are high, and the gameplay is buttery smooth. Plus, the display's 120Hz refresh rate ensures that everything looks fluid. No lag, no stuttering. And for those of you who really care about gaming specs, the GT mode includes features like super resolution and frame generation. This ensures that every game you play looks sharp and runs smoothly, even with demanding titles. Overall, the Honor GT is a beast when it comes to all-out performance. Moving on to the display. The Honor GT features a massive 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a 1.5K resolution. Now, the resolution might not sound as high as some flagship phones, but trust me, this display is more than sharp enough for gaming and everyday use. At 435 ppi, every detail pops, and you'll definitely notice how crisp and vibrant everything looks. What I really appreciate here is the 120Hz refresh rate. For gamers, this is a must. High refresh rates makes everything look smoother, from scrolling through menus to gaming action. It's a noticeable improvement over phones with lower refresh rates, especially in fast-paced games where every millisecond counts. Now let's talk brightness. The Honor GT can hit 1275 nits under auto brightness, making it super bright even under direct sunlight. So if you're out gaming in the park or wherever the sun is blazing, you won't have trouble seeing your screen. Plus, Honor claims a peak brightness of 4000 nits for HDR content, so you know this screen can handle anything you throw at it. For those sensitive to OLED flicker, this phone has 3840 Hz PWM dimming, which reduces eye strain and makes extended gaming sessions more comfortable. So whether you're watching videos, playing games, or just browsing, the display on the Honor GT is vibrant, sharp, and just an overall joy to look at. Alright, let's talk about the cameras. While the Honor GT is primarily a gaming phone, It doesn't skimp on its optics. You'll get a 50MP primary sensor paired with an f1.95 lens and optical image stabilization. This means you're going to get sharp, detailed shots, whether you're capturing daylight or low-light scenes. Colors are vibrant, and the camera does a good job of controlling highlights. In low-light situations, the Honor GT does a great job of keeping noise at bay, delivering images that are bright and crisp without losing detail. Honor has also included different color profiles like natural, vibrant, and authentic to let you tweak the way your photos look. The secondary camera is a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, which is a nice upgrade compared to the standard 8MP sensors we often see in this price range. Plus, it has autofocus, so you can shoot everything from wide-angle shots to macro photography with ease. When it comes to video, the Honor GT shoots in 4K at 60 frames per second. The footage is smooth thanks to the electronic image stabilization, and you can expect decent dynamic range with good detail in both bright and dark areas. There are also a bunch of AI-driven features built into the camera software. You've got AI Eraser, which removes unwanted objects from your shots, AI Outpainting to extend your images creatively, and even AI Styles, which lets you transform your photos into anime-style artwork. All these features work as advertised, but the standout for me is the AI Eraser. It's incredibly useful when you want to get rid of those photo bombers in the background. Now, a gaming smartphone wouldn't be complete without a solid battery, and the Honor GT delivers with a 5300 mAh battery. Honor has optimized the battery life so that even with all the power-hungry specs, you can still get through a full day of gaming, social media, and video streaming. But here's the kicker: 100W Supercharge. Yeah, you can charge this phone from 0 to 60% in just 15 minutes. And if you need a full charge, it only takes around 35 minutes. That's insane for a phone this powerful. If you're gaming for hours, you can quickly top up the battery during your breaks, so you're always ready for the next round. One downside though, there's no wireless charging here, which would have been a nice addition considering the fast charging capabilities. Now let's talk about the price. The Honor GT is priced at around $300 in China, which is incredibly affordable for a phone with a Snapdragon 8 Gen and all the features it offers. The competition in this price range is fierce, but I think Honor has really knocked it out of the park with this one. The phone comes in several variants, with different amounts of RAM and storage options, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. But even the base variant offers solid performance, and considering what you're getting for the price, it's a steal. Unfortunately, as of now, the Honor GT is only available in China, and there's no word yet on whether it'll make its way to the international markets. But if it does, this could easily be one of the best budget-friendly gaming smartphones out there. So that's a wrap on the Honor GT gaming smartphone. With a Snapdragon 8 Gen, 100W charging, and a beautiful display, this phone is a powerhouse. Sure, it's not perfect, and there are a few things I'd like to see improved, like wireless charging. But at this price point, it's hard to argue. What do you think? Would you pick up the Honor GT for your next gaming device? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.